Hi guys, and this is the third question from magnetism, and means moving charge and magnetism or the electric current. I mean current effects of magnetism, right? The question is two circular coils P and Q of 100 turns each have same radius of pi centimeter. The currents in the P and Q are 1 ampere and 2 ampere respectively. P and Q are placed with their planes mutually perpendicular with their centers coincide. The resultant magnetic field induction at the center of the coil is root x millitesla, where x is equals to. They are asking us to find out x. First of all, what do is they have given that like this, right? This is a circle. Imagine that. I don't have anything now here, right? Okay, imagine it is a circle, this is the center, so this circle is not like this. Imagine it is like that, right? Let me draw once again. This circle is like this and it's not facing to you, it's facing like this, right? So here the radius of the circle is r, and from the radius it is a distance of x. This is the point, right? Now when I amount of current is passing in it, when I amount of current is passing in it, then what happens? Magnetic field will be created around the circle, right? So that magnetic field strength at point P or something like x distance from the center of the circle, right? At this point B is equals to, right? So I think so you have, if you listen this class, so you can remember easily this formula: mu naught Ni square, mu naught Ni r square by 2 into r square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. What is this formula? This is the formula for magnetic field strength at this point, x distance from the center of the coil, when the I amount of current is passing in the coil. So this is the formula. Now what they are asking, right? Do remember that. Now if you want to find out magnetic field strength at the center, then what you will do? Obviously you will insert x is equals to 0. That means this point will be here, right? Then what happens? B is equals to mu naught Ni r square by 2 into r square whole to the power 3 by 2. Square cancel. That means you can write mu naught Ni r square by 2 r cube. So square cube get cancelled and the B will be mu naught Ni by 2r. This is the formula for the finding a magnetic field strength at the center of the coil. Clear? Now what they are saying, there are two coils which are called P and Q. Number of turns are 100. Number of turns are 100. That means N is equals to 100. Each have the same radius of pi. R is equals to pi centimeter. Okay, and then the current in the P and Q are there is, let us take it as a P, right? In the P coil, IP is equals to 1 ampere and IQ is equals to 2 ampere. And they are mutually perpendicular to each other. That means, let me draw the diagram here itself. If a coil situates like this, then another coil situates like this. That means a coil is like this and another coil is like this. Two coils, circular coils, right? So their center coincide. Due to this coil, the magnetic field will be in this direction. Due to this coil, these two coils are perpendicular to each other. The magnetic field will be in this direction. Let's take it as a P, it's as a Q. So this is the direction of BP and this is the direction of BQ, right? So when these two coils are uh, coincide their centers, then what will happen? The resultant will be in this direction. Clear? That means BQ will be in this direction, magnetic field strength of Q coil and magnetic field strength of coil P in this. The resultant of these two will be in this. Let's take it as a B. Right? Now first of all, what we'll do is we will find BP, magnetic field due to P. Now what happened? BP is equals to mu naught Ni. Mu naught in the sense 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 mu naught N. N in the sense 100, and current in the P 1 ampere by 2R. 2 into what is the radius? Pi centimeter. Let's change centimeter to meter into 10 to the power of minus 2. Right? So now what happens? Pi get cancelled. This 2 in this 2 times, and 10 to the power of minus 5, 100. Right? So now it will be like still anything that we have to remember here? Everything clear, right? Yes. So what it is here? This minus 2 will go up, means 4, right? 10 to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Right? Let me write clearly. 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. See, minus 7, 2 zeros less, then it will become minus 5. Again 2 zeros less, it becomes minus 8. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Tesla. Clear? And next, what about let's convert into micro Tesla. We'll find out, right? That means you can take, instead of minus 3, okay, leave it. Next, let's find out BQ. Same way, 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7, 100 into 2 by 2 into same radius, right? 10 to the power of minus 2. So then what happens? 10 to the power of minus 7. 2 cancel, pi cancel. Same way, but here this time it will be 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Tesla. Now we want resultant. The resultant formula is root over BP square minus plus BQ square plus 2BP BQ cos theta. Here these two coils are perpendicular to each other, so that theta will be cos 90. Cos 90 will be 0. So we can neglect this, because this term becomes 0. You can neglect it. Now root over 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Right? You can take minus 3 in the sense milli, right? 2 milli Tesla, and it is 4 milli Tesla. So now you don't need to write this also. 2 square plus 4 square, that is equals to root over 4 plus 16, root over 20 milli Tesla. Clear? So answer is x is equals to nothing but 20. Right? Hope you understand well. It's very important. This is the root formula for this problem. So based on this formula, they may ask me. If you remember this, you can solve everything. Clear? Right. Thank you very much for subscribing, and try to share with your friends, and try to subscribe. Thank you all.